this video we'll see how to remove the password login and add SSH based authentication in the Ubuntu. So here are a few steps I have listed out how to remove the password login and Ubuntu and add SSH key auth. Let's see one by one. I have copied this SSH public key from one of my PM file. You can generate it later. So I have consolidated all these things at a single place. It will be easy to do the work. So let's add a user Ubuntu first. So it asks me for the password, like adding with the user sudo user. It's asking me for the new user password. Now I given some password here and retyping it again, and now giving full name, what are the details asked during the account creation. Fill those details and it will ask for confirmation. Once confirmed, it will create a user. So user is created. I am just navigating through the directory if the directory is created or not. Now I am going to add the user in the sudo's group with the user mode sudo command. So I have added this user in the sudo's group with this command, and now I will verify the group of the new user with this groups and username. So it should display me Ubuntu and sudo's group. Now I am verifying the sudo access of this new user. I will run sudo su hyphen and Ubuntu, and it's navigated me to the new user. Present working directory is home Ubuntu. Now I am going to edit the SSH config file. Before that, I will add the authorization key. Because this directory don't have SSH directory, I made it one SSH directory first, and changing to SSH directory. Now I will add one authorized keys file here to add my public key in that file. So I will copy the public key which I already having here, and I will paste it here. My PM file is somewhere else because this is a public key. You can generate with the SSH keygen new public key. Once this is done, I will check the access if it work with the authorized key or not. So for next is to I want to add no password prompt in the Ubuntu user. Like when I switch to sudo, it should not ask me for the password. So I will add the password in the sudo's file. It's opened in the G editor. I want vim to open this file. Here are a few commands which I have listed here to edit the file. So I am editing in the vim with the etc/sudo's file. Yeah, and here I need to add the Ubuntu user with all. Don't ask me the password, no password thing in the last of this file. So for that I have two steps here. Like one is to get the username, all user, no password, like this. And second is or echo user, it will give you what you need to add in the sudo's group, or if you can run with the sudo, it will add one file in the sudo's group, sudo's file. So here I echoed it and it says like Ubuntu all equal to all, no password all. So I will copy that and I will paste it here directly. in the last of the file. So I copied it and I am going in the sudoers group, sudoers file, and I will paste it here, and I will say save it and will exit. So now if I access again, still I have not disabled the password login. I'll do it later. So I switched with the sudo, it not asking me the password, it's not asking me the password again. Now I am navigating to the password, removing the password authentication. So first of all I will edit the ssh file. Here you can navigate one with the regex match in the vim editor, like password authentication is commented here. So I will remove that comment and will put it that authentication no. And also I will need to change few things at some places to remove the password first. Let me test it if it work or not after restarting the ssh server. Exiting from the command line, now accessing. Oh, it's asking me the password again. So let me check some more places if it need to change the password, need to change the configuration file somewhere. Let's start the SSSD service, SSSD service, if it works or not. I'll exit again and I will try to log in again. It's asking for the password. Need to check. Okay, so I'm going to the SSD file here. I think authorized key is the file name is a bit wrong. So I will rename the file authorized keys. That's why it was asking the password at the time of login. Now you can see like it's not asking me the password when I access with the SSH key. So the key file is already added. I am removing this key file from here. Now I need to work on the password authentication, where I am missing something or not. Something I am missing here. I'm trying to fix that. Okay, SSH config. Okay, one is SSH config. Here also I am searching that regex of the password authentication, like yeah, um, yeah, and found it here. Yeah, okay, I found it here, and I removed this and added it to no. Okay, let me restart the SSH server again. Okay, again it's asking for the password, and after giving the password it's logged in. Somewhere I am missing something. Let me focus where I missed. Password is no. Okay, I got it. I need to remove the password policy. So I will run the sudo passwd delete the user password. So the password expiry information changed, and I will delete the existing user password also, in that is min6. And now I will exit from the console. Now I will try to log in with the password, and it says please try again, permission denied, public key and password. I will try with the other user, and here it says same thing, password denied. And this is how it works. So if you have any question, you can feedback in the comment. Subscribe for more videos.